Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sahim from SahimTech, and welcome back to my final part 4 of tips and tricks. So, let's begin. And we have completed part 1, part 2, and part 3. Now let's dive into part 4.
Okay, the next trick on our list is trick number 16, and this is a very basic trick, and I know many of you must be knowing this. Let's use it in Word. Okay, now let me Control V. Okay, now this is Control C to copy. Okay, let's say you want to copy this text. I have selected, and I do Control C, and then I go to WordPad. Let me go to WordPad, and now I can paste it here. Control V, and then now you can Control V. That is trick number 17. Trick number 17: pasting. Control V. Control V. Okay. Trick number 18, and we are nearing the end. Cutting anything. Okay, let me cut an object. Let me cut this piece of text. Control X. I have cut that. Now I can paste it again. Control V, Control X. Let me just do it again. Control X. Now it's cut. Now let me paste it again. Okay. Now trick number 19. Okay, selecting all. Okay. In WordPad, there is an option, select all over here. You just click on that and everything will be selected. You can do Control C or Control V or Control V to, you can do Control C or Control X to cut or copy. Well, instead of just using your mouse, you can just do Control A, and then Control C or Control V, Control A, Control X or Control V. Control A selects select all of your things in whatever you're just working through. And the final trick, and then it's the end. The final trick I'm going to show you guys is opening a new document or a new workspace. That is Control N, and then they will ask you, do you want to save changes? Because I'm going to open a new one, and they want to close this. I hit don't save, and now a new document will be opened. Same is with Paint. Let me go to PowerPoint. So, okay, let me select this one. Create. Oh man, still loading. Okay, Control N, and then a new document will be opened. Control N, another new document. Control N, another new document. Not only document, presentation, workbooks, and everything. Let me close all of this. So guys, we have reached the end of our tips and tricks tutorial. I mean keyboard shortcuts or keyboard hotkeys.
So guys, thanks for watching.